Hey guys, moving right along in this worship song, let's jump right back in.
Shall soar and be lifted ever higher by your holy wind under my wings. I will rest in your love, a love that will endure forever. Lord, you are treasured high above all things, everything and King. For my
I think I'm gonna actually try something new. I'm gonna try to put the ADT on this and see what happens.
ever higher by your holy wind under my wings. I will rest in your love, a love that will endure forever. Lord, you are treasured
That sounds cool.
above all things, everything and King. For my spirit shall soar and be lifted ever higher by your holy wind under my wings. I will rest in your love, a love that will endure forever. Lord, you are treasured high above all things.
Just gonna dial that back a little bit.
And King, for my
Now we have like a stereo delay, kind of.
and be lifted ever higher by your holy wind under my wings. My wings of faith outstretched in surrender as I cast all my cares upon
I
you.
think we're gonna have to automate this delay to only come in the big parts.
Trust you, Lord, and I know you won't forsake me. You are righteous, you are faithful and true. For my spirit shall soar and be lifted ever higher by your holy wind under my wings. As the world falls away, I'm secure in your presence, and I can hear the heavenly angels sing. Oh Lord, how I depend will sustain me. My spirit shall soar and be lifted ever higher by your holy wind under my wings. With the storms raging on, I'll be rising far above them with the hope that only you, Lord, can bring. And the angels sing. When my days are short and my time on earth is ending, I will pray that your will had been done. Then I will spread my wings and embrace the light before me as the child of God that I have become.
some of these toms are lower than the others, so we're going to need to go back and automate these to be at a more even level.
If a storm's raging on, I'll be rising. With a storm's raging on, with a storm's raging on, I'll be and the angels sing. When my days are short and my time on earth is ending, I will pray that your will had been. For my spirit shall soar and be lifted with my new life ahead. I will leave this world behind me forevermore. For my spirit, with my new life ahead, I will leave this world behind. With my new life ahead, with my new life ahead. For my spirit shall soar and be lifted ever higher by. I will rest in your love, a love that will endure forever. I will rest in your love, a love that will endure forever. Lord, you are treasured high above all things, everything. Lord, you are treasured high above all things, everything. Things, everything. So is everyone who is born of the Spirit. John. The wind blows where it wishes, and you hear the sound of it, but you do not know where it comes from and where it is going. So is everyone who is born of the Spirit. John 3:8.
Okay, I think it's time to do some master bus processing on this one.
And in your love, I know you won't let me fall. For my spirit shall soar and be lifted ever higher by your holy wind under my wings. With the storms raging on, I'll be right.
See if we can add a little top end with this.
With the hope that only you, Lord, can bring, and the angels sing.
I like this EQ because it's nice and smooth.
When my days are short, higher by your holy
second compressor, I just want to take off like half a dB, not too much.
My new life ahead. I will leave this world behind me forevermore with my Lord God and King. Holy wind under my wings. With my new life ahead, I will leave this world behind me forevermore.
And then with the multipressor, I think the most important part of it is this first band, which knocks off all the high end, and that can let you get, loud masters without being too harsh or piercing.
By your holy wind under my wings. With my new life ahead, I will leave this world behind me forevermore with my Lord God and King. For my spirit shall soar and be lifted ever higher by your holy wind under my.
And now it's time for the loudness part.
Holy wind.
I think I'm going to turn your volume down so I don't blow you out.